All right. Hey there, GVs. Google just rolled something out that is going to mean a lot to you in the next few weeks. It's called Consent Mode version 2. Do you know what that is? Do you know how that is your ticket to making a great promotion and lots of money? Hi, it's Todd, and I've got something crucial for your audience. Of course, data privacy and security aren't just optional anymore. The rules are getting stricter, and compliance isn't just a suggestion, it's mandatory. Now, most importantly, if your audience isn't compliant, it can hurt their ads and it could hinder visitor tracking. But they could also face massive fines. Now, as I mentioned, Google just rolled out something called Consent Mode version 2. And if businesses aren't set up properly, their Google ads and analytics just won't work the way that they should. Microsoft is also doing the same with UET. And then, of course, you know about GDPR, CCPA, and DMA regulations that are tightening worldwide. Now, the problem is most website owners don't even realize they're at risk. And that's where our Complyfi launch comes in. On February 20th, Cyril Gupta and I are launching the easiest, most powerful compliance solution on the market. And this freaks out buyers all the time whenever a good product like this comes along. And this one is more comprehensive than ever. And of course, they end up buying because they get so worried. It does offer many, many features that are great for them. For instance, it's a one-click setup, so there's no legal headaches, there's no techie stuff. Number 2, instant compliance with Google Consent Mode version 2, Microsoft UET, GDPR, and more. Number 3, it protects businesses from penalties, ad restrictions, and data loss. And number 4, it replaces expensive competitors that charge 15 plus per month per domain. Now your audience can get fully compliant at just a fraction of that cost. Now let's talk about the pre-launch. Our pre-launch webinars have been doing gangbusters. Absolutely, and others are starting to realize that and copy our solutions. So we have a pre-launch webinar on February 19th, and then the official launch is February 20th, and there will be another webinar that day. This is an absolute must-have for every website owner. Let's face it, every marketer, every business online, without it, they risk losing their audience tracking, their ad revenue, and even their business in worst case scenario. So join us, promote Complyfi, and let's help website owners secure their business while you bank huge commissions. Sign up now and let's crush this launch together.